In today's video, we are going to be discussing marketing planning. For all of my local business owners and entrepreneurs, I know what you're saying. I don't have time to plan. I'm too busy working in my business to work on my business. I don't have anybody that I can really trust to help with my marketing strategies or my lead generation systems. And I completely feel you. I do understand the struggle. When I started my business in 2012, I was just like that. I didn't plan anything. I just went out getting clients all haphazardly. No systems, no consistency, and I struggled for months because I did not use the same methodologies, tools, and strategies that I had working for some of the biggest corporations in the world like FedEx and Merck and Johnson & Johnson in my own business. And if you're guilty, raise your hand. Because today I want to talk to you about just two things that may help with some of the overwhelm. Before I jump into the strategies, I want to share with you a little story. When I worked for Johnson & Johnson as a pharmaceutical sales rep starting in 2005, I was new to North Carolina. I was new to the company. I was new to calling on neurologists. I was new to selling the particular products. I was just new in everything. And so because I had convinced my district sales manager at the time that I was going to take this new territory from dead last to one of the highest performing territories on his team, I knew that I needed a plan to make that succeed. And that's what I did. I planned on calling on the top subscribers to grow market share there and then getting the institutions that prescribed quite a bit, getting my drugs on formulary there. And so I wrote out a basic list of the people I needed to call on every single week, what day I was going to call on them, and what my message was going to be. Just those three things. And the next 2 quarters had me in the top half of the district. And then in the 2 following quarters after that, I was actually number 2 out of 10 actual territories in our district, and won a trip to President's Club, which is one of the highest performing awards in pharmaceutical sales. So I was super excited, but what it showed me was that planning worked, and I knew it worked. In my business, though, I just felt like I never had the time to plan. It was either sleep or eating, or something else was always coming first before I would actually plan some of my marketing strategies. So from a digital marketing perspective, let me give you 2 ideas that may help you out. The first one is nail down who your ideal client or customer is. I cannot tell you how important that is. It's going to prevent you from having a message all over the place that doesn't land on anyone. It's going to prevent you from having to be on 6 different social networks, including Facebook and YouTube and Pinterest and LinkedIn. Because when you know who you're talking to, when you know who your products or service is perfect for, you can just go to wherever they are hanging out at, right? So I was fortunate because when I started my business, I hung out just on LinkedIn, and I developed some brand ambassadors at SCORE and other organizations that referred business owners to professional service providers such as myself. Now, once you have who your ideal customer is, figure out the one place that they're hanging out and online. Not 2 or 3, the one place. And then go there and start interacting with them, sharing social proof, establishing your credibility, sharing specials. And I guarantee you, you will see a difference in under 30 days. I just did this with a client of mine who also happens to be a friend that is a hairstylist using or opening up her second hair salon. And it worked like gangbusters. So that case study is on my website if you are interested in reading it. If not, think about those 2 strategies for me and just do those 2 things. Leave a comment below this video. Let me know how it goes or if you have any questions. And I will hopefully see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.